Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You're starting in Incognito. Open Chrome and confirm the dark theme and mask icon. Once seen, tap the three-dot menu at the top right and choose Settings. Make sure your Chrome is updated before continuing. Updates resolve permission oddities. You do this now so the later steps show full options. While in Settings, look for Privacy and Security. This is where session traces and site data controls live. Proceed when you can clearly see Privacy and Security on screen. Once in Privacy and Security, tap Clear Browsing Data and then switch to the Advanced tab to see full options. Select Time Range, all time if you want everything removed. This includes any site data saved during incognito leaks. Check cookies and site data plus cached images and files. This ensures residual data is removed. If downloads or form entries appeared, clear downloads and passwords as needed. Confirm the clear action. This step removes traces that incognito might leave after long sessions or extensions. After clearing, restart Chrome and then reboot your phone to finalize file cleanup. That helps remove locked files or background processes. Make sure extensions or apps with overlay permissions are disabled because they can record sessions. Turn them off and test again. If you still see history-like items, go to Android or iOS settings, find apps right arrow Chrome and choose Reset App Data or Clear Storage. That is a deeper wipe. If problems persist, check for a managed profile or parental.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.